What is going on, guys? So I'm back again with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys one mod that you guys need for your 4th gen Tacoma. Now if you own a 4th gen Tacoma, you should know that these transmissions shift way too early, so it's very difficult to tow heavy stuff with these trucks, and they're very sluggish off the line, especially if you have a load in the bed. And yes, wheels and tires are cool, a level kit is perfect, maybe a soft topper is cool too. I understand that. But a COBB Accessport with a CAMTuning stage 1 tune is what's really gonna change the drivability and characteristics of this truck. Me personally, I hated how early these transmissions shift, especially off the light. The truck just felt so sluggish. I just feel like it needed more power low end and top end as well. So this COBB Accessport will fix all those issues. Now when you purchase the COBB Accessport, they do provide you with several off-the-shelf maps ranging from 87 octane all the way up to 92 or 93 octane, as well as 95 RON. You guys get to pick and choose which one you guys want to run and which one suits you the best. But that's not it. If you guys want to take it to the next level, then I highly recommend getting a stage 1 tune from CAMTuning. Now I've had my COBB Accessport roughly maybe a week and a half, and I've been able to try out the COBB Accessport stage 1 tune for my truck. Here in California we only have 91, so that's the only octane that's available for me, and it did great. It did what it's supposed to do. It brought the truck back to life. It should have came like that from factory, but I just felt like the truck could do more. It had way more potential for it being a stage 1. It still felt like they were holding back on power and just better drivability. So I hit up CAMTuning, and he was able to do me a stage 1 tune specifically for my truck. Currently I do have a Mishimoto intake and a 6th gen or 6 element dump pipe for this truck, and CAMTuning was able to do me a stage 1 specifically for those mods. And as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and take you to the menu and show you guys that I have the CAMTuning tune uploaded on this truck. We'll go to tune, we'll go to show current map, and there you guys have it. CAMTuning stage 1 OEM plus 91 octane. Not only that, CAMTuning is able to tune your transmission with an OEM plus or sport package to your liking. I personally opted for the OEM plus version or tune for the transmission just because I do drive a lot and I didn't want to stress out the transmission for now. But once I have all the mods on the truck, I will go ahead and get a custom tune with a sport tune on the transmission later down the road. But this was a game changer. CAMTuning plays no jokes, honestly. Like, the truck felt way different than the stage 1 tune from COBB. Don't get me wrong, the stage 1 tune for COBB did great. It was amazing, definitely more power than stock, but there's something left for sure. CAMTuning was able to wake up the truck even more with his stage 1 tune, especially because it was designed for my intake and my dump pipe. The truck shifts where it's supposed to. It just feels more sportier. I feel way more connected to the truck for some reason. Honestly, it just feels like a whole different truck. So if you guys just want one mod, just one, I would recommend getting an Accessport plus a stage 1 CAMTuning tune. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys have any more questions, hit the comment and I'll do another video talking about more about the Accessport and whatever questions you guys want answered. So thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.